Hi, my name is Matthew Scamser, author of the new book entitled You Are Revival, Heavenly Realities Manifesting on Earth. It's being published by Destiny Image Publishers. This book is written out of just an exciting journey I've been on over the last 7 or 8 years, where I believe God has changed my life and has really helped me to change other people's lives around me. So it's a how-to guide to living what I call the life of a revivalist, or living a life of revival. Revival is simply spiritual awakening in an individual's life, and spiritual awakening that can take hold in other people's lives and in entire churches and entire communities if we allow God's Spirit to lead us in that direction. So that's why this book is so exciting to me. I believe it was just divinely inspired, and by divine directive, I believe we are releasing this book right now in this season so that God can really impact lives and equip and train people to what I believe He's saying to many people throughout Christianity, but who many people have a lot of questions about and who are looking for answers. I believe this book has those answers they're looking for. So my wife and I reside in Tucson, Arizona with our new baby girl. We serve in the largest church in the city, and I am considered a prophetic evangelist. We've just opened up a place called the Tucson Revival and Event Center, where we hold weekly revival services and where we also train and equip other Christians to live a life of what I call supernatural significance and greatness. So I just pray that this book equips and empowers and just imparts such a passion for God, for His ways, for His Spirit, and that it brings such a revelation to Christians all throughout the world about who they are in Christ, what God's will is on the earth right now, and how He can use them to see amazing things happen.